Okay, this is the last one in Peach Perfect because I every day I have mistakes. You know what? Remember? Okay. Now this is the tutorial of Peach Perfect again. I already post cover one, but I deleted it because I've got mistakes and I cuff and cuff. That's why you know it. Okay, first up is you need a hard surface because if it's not a hard surface, it's like slide and slide and slide. That's why. Wait a minute. This is not a mistake, okay? And then first up in Peach Perfect is you clap 2 times. 2 times, okay? And it goes like this. And then second step is you bang this part of the cup. This part only. Okay? Wait a minute. It got dirt. Okay. Again. Clap, clap. And then 3 times of bang, bang, bang here. It goes like this. Clap, clap, bang, bang, bang. And then clap. After the bang, 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 is a clap. And after the clap, you hold it here, hold it, and then up, down. Again, let's go, and it goes like this. Wait a minute. Clap, clap, bang, 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 clap, up, down. And then after the up, down, is you bring it up, is you clap again, and then after the clap, with your left hand you will bring it up, and with your right hand, your other palm like that, and then down. Okay, again. Clap, clap, bang, 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 clap, up, down. Clap, bring it up with your left hand, and then with your right palm, and then down. Again. Clap, clap, bang, 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 clap, up, down. And clap, bring it up with your left hand, and with your right palm, down. After you do this, is you float it like that, and then hold here at this part, and then with your left hand, and then right hand. Okay? Let's do it without mistakes. Clap, bring it up with your left hand, with your right palm, and then float. Now here's the song. I've got my ticket for the long way round. Won't you go with me in the rain? 'Cause I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk, and I know you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk, and I know you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I've got my ticket for the long way round. Go over the prettiest reviews, 'cause it's got jumps, it's got rivers, it's got tags, it's got shivers. I'm sure it would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk, and I know you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Thank you, everybody. Again, this is Maria. I'm Joe Christian G. Reyes, 7 years old, and I live in Los Angeles City. Today's date that I made it is April 5, 2013. Thank you, everybody. Age 7. You're welcome. Here's the cup that I've used.